Welcome to this video overview of our training package. We'll give you a quick but comprehensive look at the topics covered using a selection of slides from the PowerPoint deck. Each instant download package includes a detailed trainer guide, comprehensive student workbook, engaging PowerPoint slides, exercise sheets, and a fun Jeopardy-style review game to wrap up your training on a high note. Let's dive in. Welcome to the Managing the Customer Experience Workshop Overview. This video provides a concise summary of the key concepts and features select slides from the comprehensive slide deck included in this instant download package. Designed for trainers, it equips you to teach essential skills for enhancing customer interactions, improving satisfaction, and building long-term customer loyalty. Deliver impactful, results-driven training with ease and confidence. Our workshop objectives include understanding customer experience, digital interactions, journey mapping, and best practices. We'll create actionable plans to improve your operations. Module 1 focuses on defining customer experience. We'll discuss its importance, differentiate between customer service and experience, and explore real-life examples. Customer experience is the internal and subjective response customers have to any direct or indirect contact with a company. Understanding this is crucial for success. Customer experience encompasses all interactions with a brand over time. It's essential to manage these interactions to build lasting relationships. We'll compare traditional and digital customer experiences. Digital interactions are increasingly important in shaping customer perceptions and satisfaction. Good customer experiences are characterized by easy navigation, quick access, and multi-channel support. Bad experiences often involve confusion and slow resolutions. Here are 10 reasons why customer experience is vital. It enhances reputation, retention, and brand awareness, while reducing costs and boosting loyalty. Module 2 introduces customer journey mapping. We'll explore its importance, identify customer needs, and engage in practical mapping activities. A customer journey outlines the steps a customer takes with your brand. Understanding this journey helps tailor experiences to meet customer expectations. In our first mapping activity, we'll capture customer wants, needs, and expectations at each stage of their journey. This insight is key to improvement. The heartbeat map helps visualize customer emotions and interactions. It's a tool to identify critical touchpoints and enhance customer satisfaction. The customer lifecycle includes planning, arriving, interacting, and leaving. Each stage offers opportunities to enhance the customer experience. Key interactions during a lifecycle include internet searches, queue systems, and feedback requests. Each interaction shapes the overall experience. This chart helps evaluate customer experiences across lifecycle stages. Identifying strengths and weaknesses guides improvements. Analyzing customer experiences reveals patterns and areas for enhancement. This data-driven approach supports strategic decision-making. Customer journey mapping is crucial for identifying changes, dependencies, and segment-specific experiences. It aids in strategic planning and communication. Moments of truth are critical interactions that define customer perceptions. Identifying and optimizing these moments is key to great service. Evaluate moments of truth in your store. Categorize experiences as wow, neutral, or bad to identify areas for improvement. In our second mapping activity, we'll refine customer journey maps. This exercise helps align strategies with customer expectations. The CX Journey Map outlines the standard lifecycle. Step 1 involves establishing customer needs at each stage to ensure a seamless experience. Step 2 focuses on capturing customer interactions. Use action verbs to describe each interaction, providing clarity and focus. This sample map illustrates core, differentiated, and enabling interactions. It highlights the importance of a comprehensive approach to customer experience. Module 3 covers customer experience management best practices. We'll explore personas, management strategies, and steps to enhance customer interactions. Winning customers' hearts involves addressing rational and emotional needs. Focus on reliability, enjoyment, and desire to foster loyalty. Creating customer personas involves using diverse research methods, focusing on relevant data, and validating with feedback. Keep personas simple and updated. Customer experience management involves strategically managing the entire customer journey. It's a comprehensive approach to enhancing customer satisfaction. A successful management strategy includes assessing needs, mapping journeys, designing experiences, and measuring outcomes. This cycle ensures continuous improvement. Best practices in customer experience management include a customer-centric approach, consistent branding, and continuous improvement. Employee engagement is also crucial. And to wrap up your training on a high note, every package includes a fun, Jeopardy-style PowerPoint review game. This competitive activity lets participants answer questions, earn points, and reinforce key concepts in an engaging and memorable way. It's the perfect way to review the content while keeping the energy high.